2 grilled chicken tacos, large fry, chicken cheddar quesadilla. Ordered a large, told her to put my senior discount on there, and it didn't make it. You got to tell them senior instead of veteran. The dogs are at the motel in the air conditioning. And their daddy's going crazy because he's waiting to go pick up his trailer tomorrow. A little windy out there. I'm looking forward to seeing how the truck pulls. But we're at Del Taco in the TA truck stop, Ash Fork, Arizona, Route 66. You guys have a wonderful day. And stay tuned for tomorrow when I post my pics of my trailer.